Cakes, cupcakes, cookies. They may all be incredible and taste delicious. But what are they without frosting? Frosting definitely elevates the quality and overall flavor of all baked goods. Icing is made from a mix of wet and dry ingredients. Traditionally, lemon juice and powdered sugar. You could also use other liquids like coffee or maple syrup, or even just plain water. This type of mix gives you an icing that dries hard really fast. It is commonly called royal icing, and is usually used to decorate cookies, or to construct gingerbread houses. A whipped icing is made when you take that mix and you whip it. This way, you incorporate air into it, making it lighter, but it will still dry hard. Whipped icing may also refer, depending on where you live, to whipped cream. This is made out of heavy cream that is mixed at high speed with powdered sugar. A bit of meringue powder can be used to make it more stable. This type of spread is different from whipped royal icing. It is not as strong and will deflate if put in between heavy cakes. So you cannot use it in the middle of, say, a carrot cake. That is why buttercream is so widely used. It is soft enough to be used in between cakes, but still holds its shape, so it is perfect in between these two types of icing. Buttercream is known for its thick, creamy texture and rich sweet flavor. There are several different types of buttercreams, such as American, Italian, French, German, and Swiss. American buttercream is the most common buttercream, and it is the richest, creamiest, and most fluffy of all the buttercreams. All buttercreams include butter and some form of sugar. Do they taste the same? Definitely not. The texture, first of all, is completely different. Whipped royal icing is hard, while buttercream is smooth. Buttercream is definitely richer. Butter has a higher fat content than heavy cream, making it heavier as well. Just looking at the consistency of the original ingredients gives you an idea of what I mean. Whipped cream on the hand is lighter and fluffier, but it is still very rich. It is also not as overpoweringly sweet as buttercream, which for me is a plus. To know which one is healthier, we have to consider total calories and cholesterol. What about calories? Whipped royal icing is made out of mostly sugar, and we only add a liquid, no fat. Buttercream, on the other hand, is made out of butter or shortening and powdered sugar. Whipped cream is similar, in the sense that cream is a fat, to which you add sugar and then mix. So, in regards to calories, sugar has less total calories than butter for the same amount. 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar has about 60 calories in it, while butter has 100 calories. Heavy cream, on the other hand, only has 51 calories in a tablespoon. Also, heavy cream doubles its original volume once whipped, making these calories are even less for the total frosting, although we would need to take into account the sugar as well. So, regarding calories, we could say whipped frosting is healthier than its other alternatives. And cholesterol. Buttercream and whipped cream both have fat in them that comes from the milk they are made of, but not all fat is made the same. Choosing whipped cream as a healthier alternative is a good idea, as it is fluffy and delicious while still being a little less caloric. There are some issues, though. First of all, it does not hold its shape very well, so we cannot decorate as precisely as we would with stiff buttercream. If you beat it too much, you will be left with butter, so be careful if you are trying to achieve a stiffer cream. Another disadvantage is that it needs to stay refrigerated and cannot be kept outside for long periods of time, especially if it is hot. Buttercream is much more stable, and you won't need to be so mindful of how much time the cake has gone outside of the fridge. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.